Have you ever wondered why heroin, a substance so damaging, can be so addictive? Let's delve into the science behind this lethal substance and its effects on the human body. Heroin, a derivative of morphine, enters the brain rapidly and binds to opioid receptors on cells. These receptors are located in many areas of the brain and body, especially those involved in feelings of pain and pleasure, as well as a part of the brain that regulates heart rate, sleeping, and breathing. Upon its entrance into the body, heroin initially causes a rush of euphoria, followed by a twilight state of sleep and wakefulness. It's this euphoric rush that hooks users, trapping them in a vicious cycle of addiction. Yet, this temporary state of bliss masks the insidious consequences lurking beneath the surface. Heroin slows down the body's central nervous system, reducing heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. This can lead to hypoxia, a condition where there isn't enough oxygen reaching the brain. Hypoxia can have severe short-term and long-term neurological effects, including coma and permanent brain damage. Moreover, consistent heroin use alters the physical structure and physiology of the brain, creating long-term imbalances in neuronal and hormonal systems that are not easily reversed. This can lead to a range of mental disorders, from depression and antisocial personality disorder to anxiety and paranoia. And let's not forget the risk of overdose. With heroin, the margin between a dose that produces the desired effect and a potentially lethal one is razor thin. This is why heroin-related overdoses are tragically common, but the havoc heroin wreaks on the body is not limited to the brain. From collapsing veins and infection of the heart lining and valves to liver and kidney disease, the physical toll can be catastrophic. And that's not even considering the risk of contracting infectious diseases like HIV and hepatitis C through shared needles. So why are we sharing these sobering facts? Because knowledge is power. Understanding the true impact of heroin on the body is the first step in combating its use and spread. Today, take a stand. Arm yourself with the knowledge of heroin's devastating effects and share this information with those around you. Encourage open conversations about the dangers of heroin use. By educating ourselves and others, we can reduce the stigma around addiction, encourage those struggling to seek help, and ultimately save lives. Because every life is precious, and no one should fall prey to the destructive grip of heroin.